Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to see people you follow on Facebook. So let's get started. If you want to see all the people that you follow on Facebook, in order to check that, what you have to do is follow some of your steps. First, open up your Facebook application. After opening up your Facebook application, just tap on the profile icon which is on the top right, and then tap on the gear icon which is also in the top right. After tapping on that, from here you just have to scroll down and then search for activity log. After finding that option, just simply tap on it, and after tapping on activity log, from here you just have to search for following. Just simply search for following option. After finding it, just simply tap on it, and after tapping on that, now you'll find all the persons, all the accounts that you are following. So you'll find the date that you have started following those accounts. So in this way, you can just simply go ahead and see people you follow on Facebook. So that's it guys. This was about how to see people you follow on Facebook. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.